So we're going to write some equations in slope-intercept form in this video. We are given a point and a slope. If you're given a point and a slope, we're going to put it into point-slope form. Kind of makes sense, doesn't it? From point-slope form, we'll be able to get it into the slope-intercept form that they're asking for. So point-slope form, there's only three numbers you have to plug in. You plug in your x1 and your y1, and then you plug in your slope, which is the m value. So when we write this, we write y minus, and then you look at your y1 value, which is a -3. So anytime you subtract a negative, that becomes positive, equals, plug in your slope of -3 times x minus, and our x1 is 0. So what we're going to do is we're going to solve this for y. Start by distributing that -3. So we have y plus 3 equals -3x. And the -3 times 0 is just 0, so I don't really need to write anything right there. Then we're going to subtract 3 from both sides. Remember, well, okay, so y equals, now remember 3 and 3x are not like terms, so those are going to be side by side. -3x and then minus 3. And it's solved for y, which tells me this is slope-intercept form. Y equals our m, which is -3, and our y equals mx plus b. Our b is also a -3, which is your y-intercept of the graph. Okay, we're going to do that same thing again. We're going to plug it into point-slope form. Here's our x1, our y1, and then our slope. So we do y minus, y1 is 4, plug in your slope of -3 times x minus. Now it's a -4, so minus a -4, I'll just go ahead and make that a plus right away, plus 4. All right, solving this for y, we're going to distribute that slope. So y minus 4 equals -3x. Careful about this -3 times a positive 4, that will turn out to be a -12. Then we just add 4 to both sides. We have y equals -3x. And you can see right here I'm adding it to its like term over on the side. -12 plus 4 is a -8. We have this solved for y, so we are in slope-intercept form.